Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is really special one. Why? Yes, because this is the special pretty makeup, and this makeup is inspired by Mermaid, and this Mermaid series makeup is really attractive, beautiful. And before we move further and dig into the video, I would like to introduce to you guys my Instagram page, Twitter, Pinterest. I'm also on my website. Link to all of them is in the description box below. I request you guys to follow me there. And let's dig into the video. Look at these beautiful mermaid eye makeups, and it's really pretty. To those who want a very beautiful mermaid eye makeup, this video is an inspiration to you all lovely girls. Look at the beautiful ombre color inversion in two and beautifully blended and with the shimmer ones. And look at this Disney mermaid, beautiful and with shimmer. Look at this love mermaid colored inspired makeup, and these are all mermaid eye makeup, and it's really special and pretty gorgeous with mascara and beautiful lashes, mermaid lashes. It's available online. I'll give you the link in the description box below, or I'll just comment and pin it so that you can get. Look at this beautiful shimmer eye makeup. It looks really pretty. And what do you think about this one? The eyebrow representing the hair color and the entire body as well. Just look at the creativity and the efforts that are being made to make the perfect look. The water effect on the side of the eyes corners and the tail of the mermaid, everything is really special. And guys, it's really pretty and awesome, beautiful mermaid makeup. And this represents the sea color. These all are mermaid special one that I hope every one of you will love. And this is the mermaid lashes, and this is the really prettiest one, I guess. It's really thicker. And look at this beautiful sea green color with blue blended all together to represent the sea and the mermaid eye makeup look. Now, how pretty is this one? The bordering are done with the beautiful green glitter and this beautiful red eyebrows colored, beautiful mermaid shape. And look at this one, it's really representing the perfect mermaid eye makeup. Guys, you have to definitely comment down below which one did you find most attractive. These water drops and these sparkle fireworks makeup, eye makeup, and this is again a beautiful mermaid eye makeup. You have to tell me that which one of this did you find the most attractive one. Look at this beautiful glitter and those beautiful mermaid tail and these shiny little water drops representing. And look at the turquoise and the golden chain and the eye makeup representing the same things and resembling the sea green makeup and the mermaid ones. I'm thankful to you viewers for sharing my videos with your friends and family. Do share it as much as possible. Thank you for watching, giving me your time, and stick on for more such videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever I'll upload a new video you'll be notified. Guys, that was it for today's video. Wait until next. Take care, goodbye, thanks for watching.